Vanessa and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to start doing some more videos about YouTube tips. And today I'm going to be showing you guys 50 ideas that you can start off for a YouTube channel. And I thought this would be really helpful for you guys because I've done a YouTube tip video before about how to get views on YouTube. It's quite an old video and you guys really seem to enjoy it, so I thought let's start doing some more videos like this so you guys can be helped and you guys can share your YouTube channels in the comments box down below, so we can obviously create more supportive inspirators here on this channel. But if you're struggling to find different ideas before you start making your normal content for your YouTube channel, then this video is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get into the 50 ideas. So before I get into the ideas, just letting you guys know that some of the ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you guys might be more in the girl category just because I wrote them down and I'm a girl, so that's sort of how I would relate to it. But if you're a boy and you might want to do some of these videos, that's absolutely fine. Just letting you guys know before you head right down to the comments and say something random about it. But without further ado, let's actually get into the ideas. Number 1, a makeup tutorial. Number 2, you can do any sort of challenges. Just look on YouTube what challenges are most trending so you can get more views and more subscribers. Number 3, do a best friend or just a friend tag, because lots of people like seeing how their relationship is with friendship and people love to see different little arguments in between. So make sure it's pretty entertaining for your viewers to watch. Number 4, do a morning routine. People can be a little bit nosy on YouTube and they want to find out what you do in the morning. Number 5, obviously the opposite is an evening routine. Number 6, you can do a what I got for blank video, which basically means you can do different videos. For an example, you can do what I got for Christmas, what I got, I don't know, people do Black Friday hauls, so you can do what I got for Black Friday, you can say what I got for my birthday. People really like to see what you got basically, so they're pretty popular videos. Number 7, you can do gaming. Number 8, Number 8, you can do toy reviews, and it's completely optional. If you don't really like playing with toys, then just don't do that sort of video. But if you don't mind, then you can do that video because you never know, some viewers might like watching toys. Number 9, you can do my top 5 favourite YouTubers, because people like to see if you like their favourite YouTubers, so you can obviously relate with your viewers. Number 10, how I started YouTube. Number 11, you can do a collaboration or a collab video. This really helps because your subscribers can go and follow the person who you're doing a collab with, and their followers can go and follow you, which also creates a bigger audience for your YouTube channel. 12, a day in the life of me. Well, not Inspiring Vanessa, but you basically. So you can do a day in the life so people can find out what you usually do on a daily basis and basically what you do and what your lifestyle is like. What's on my phone? What's on my phone is quite easy because you just screen record your phone. Obviously you can find different tutorials on YouTube, but I've done a what's on my phone video and you guys really seem to enjoy that, and pretty much people like seeing the different apps that you use. So if you ever want to do that video, it's pretty ideal to do it. 15 is you can do a how to stay motivated video. This is more like for my content, but if you guys want to show inspiring content on your YouTube channel, then that's absolutely fine too. But people do usually Google or people do usually search up how to stay motivated for YouTube because it can be quite hard being motivated on YouTube, especially how hard this industry is. 16, what to do when you're bored. 17, DIY videos. I've done a couple of DIY videos on my channel before, but if you are a very crafty and creative person, DIY videos might be the perfect content for you. 18, your biggest mistake. This is like a really famous clickbait title video, so you can do something and talk about something embarrassing that's happened to you in the past. You can also make it into a sort of story time video. 19, quick and easy hairstyles. People love them because sometimes when you're having a bad hair day, people just need to do something with their hair. 20, my favourite songs. 21, unboxing videos. 22, a story time video as I said before. 23, my goals for the month, gift ideas. This is very good when it's like to do with a Christmas month because everybody's going to be looking at how to do Christmas gifts ideas. So doing a video around that time will get lots of views. 26, what's in my wardrobe. So basically it just shows your audience what sort of clothes you'll wear and what your style is like. 27, monthly favourites. This basically means that every single month you can post a video, maybe in the middle of the month, telling them basically about the weather in that month and what's helping you throughout that whole entire month. It's a pretty weird video idea, but most people really enjoy them. 28, Instagram trends. Instagram is a huge social media platform and people love to watch videos about Instagram on YouTube. So how about make a video on YouTube and also to Instagram, two massive social media platforms, which equals lots of views and lots of subscribers. 29, 10 facts you didn't know about me. People love to understand more about you. This can also help your audience relate to you even better, which creates an even better relationship with your viewers. 30, do a life hack video. 31, money saving hacks. I might need to go and watch one of those videos. 32, advice to your younger self. 33, advice for teenagers. 34, if you're branching more into the beauty world, then you might want to do expensive makeup versus cheap makeup. 35, how to stay happy. 36, do a room tour. 37, once you do a room tour, you can do a house tour. Just make sure your parents let you and you don't film the outside of your house, because you don't want massive raving fans coming to your house in the middle of the night. It's not a very good idea. 38, prank videos. If you're brave enough and you're a pretty good prankster and you think maybe your viewers will like it, then do some prank videos. Just make sure nothing goes absolutely wrong, because if it does, just don't blame it on me, okay? 39, things you learnt last year. At the end of each year, I usually do videos about what I've learnt and how my year was. So people like to have a little update of how your year went. So if you want to do a video like that, just make sure you do it before the next year is starting. 40, social media hacks and tips. 41, do some vlogs wherever you go, because people like to see what you do on a daily basis. 42, you can do a parody video if you are more of a comedic side of YouTube, and if you want to do a comedy video or a skit, you can do the day in the life of a certain celebrity and you can act out how you might think their life is. Some people really enjoy them. Just make sure you don't offend the celebrity. 43, do a get the look video. 44, do a draw my life video. 45, how to start your own YouTube channel. People love watching those sort of videos because sometimes people can be completely clueless when it comes to YouTube. So that's why they like to get a little bit of help. 46, shopping haul. If you get a lot of items in one certain shop, then do a haul about it. Because one, you get to show them your different items of clothing, and two, you get more content for your YouTube channel. 47, always make sure to do a channel trailer before you do any normal video. 48, how to stay organised. It might be a good idea to post that around the back to school season because lots of people might need to be organised, especially for when it's school time. 49, expectations versus reality are very popular videos on YouTube, so you can give it any theme, just make expectations and realities to your video, and boom, expectation versus reality video done. And 50, you can do 50 YouTube ideas. So that is coming to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and this helped you get a little bit on track with your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video if you want to do one of these ideas that I may have mentioned in this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to join the Inspirators family here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the little bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video every single day, so you can comment down below and I'll be sure to reply back to you. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!